This is very different from the ground reality. Look at your currency or look at your economy. It's literally on crutches. Will this narrative work vis-a-vis the people? Because also interestingly, every time people spoke about diesel and the fuel prices, he said, I'll come to it. But in that hour-long speech, we never actually got to the real problems.
Look, you've asked a very interesting question, and the last bit of the question where you're referring to the diesel is not actually the diesel, the fuel, the diesel. He's actually referring to Maulana Fazlur Rahman, one of the key opposition member, and he's also nicknamed Diesel. This nickname wasn't coined by him by Imran Khan, by the way. This nickname was coined to him by the predecessors who'd been in the opposition. So he's actually referring to Maulana Fazlur Rahman because this thing had gone really popular with the public. Whenever Imran would address diesel, he would actually say Maulana Fazlur Rahman, and he would use the two words